Who likes a bumpy ride? Not me. Handling errors in API design isn't just necessary, it's an art that makes the journey enjoyable for everyone involved. I've been tinkering with APIs for over 17 years, and let me tell you, I've seen it all, from the good, the bad, to the downright ugly. I remember that time when an API I was working with decided to spill massive technical details in an error message. Not a great day at the office. Such details are not only unhelpful for end users, but they can sometimes give away too much about the backend processes and reveal the hidden mechanisms and even database structures. So, ready to turn those pesky API errors into opportunities? Join me and I will show you how to navigate these pitfalls with fitness. API error handling best practices. The art of clear communication. Ever had a map go blurry just when you need it most? That's what it feels like when your API hits a snag. The first thing to do, make sure your error messages are as clear and structured as well-drawn map. This clarity lets every developer or end user know exactly where they went wrong and how to correct their course. Writing error messages that are both descriptive and straightforward is key. Think of them as your coding compass. They should always point your API clients in the right direction by helping them steer through the wilds of code without breaking a sweat. Keep secrets safe. Every good API has its secrets, and some of those secrets need to stay hidden. When it comes to API errors, it's crucial that they don't give away too much. Spilling the beans on sensitive information about your backend logic in an error message, that's a no-go. By keeping these details under wraps, not only do you protect your application, but you also avoid the dangerous paths that can lead to security vulnerabilities. It's about ensuring the journey is safe, not just for you, but for everyone on the trail with you. Documentation, your trusty guidebook. Well-documented APIs are like the most detailed guidebook in your backpack. It's tailored to the rough terrains of API error handling. It should detail everything from the structure of error messages to the potential error codes and the steps for fixing issues. With such a guide in hand, no matter how twisted the trail becomes, you will have the right tools to find your way back to the clear path. Monitoring and logging. Keeping an eye on the path you've traveled is just as important as knowing the road ahead. Setting up solid monitoring and logging for your API is like positioning sentinels along your journey. They give you a bird's eye view of your entire operation. This setup is your best friend in tracking API interactions and debugging errors quickly. It's all about catching those pesky issues before they can hide. This way makes it easier for you to tackle problems head-on and keep your journey smooth. User-friendly messages. Ever found yourself lost because the map was too complex? That's the last thing we want in API design. Imagine your users stuck in the coding wilderness with cryptic error messages as their only guide. Not ideal, right? That's why it's crucial to craft messages that are clear and actionable. Simplify your language and make sure that even those who are new to this landscape can navigate through it without getting frustrated or lost. Handling edge cases, the unpredictable turns. The world of APIs is riddled with unforeseen detours and edge cases. Just like packing an extra set of supplies for unexpected weather, you need to prepare for any possible error. This readiness isn't just about survival. It's about ensuring that every twist and turn in your API's path is manageable, no matter how sudden or sharp. Continuous monitoring and improvement. A seasoned explorer constantly tunes their compass and updates their maps. API developers must keep refining their strategies and tools as well. Regular monitoring of your API's performance and error metrics isn't just routine maintenance, it's an essential part of the journey. By staying on top of these updates, you ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience for everyone on the trail. After all, the path of innovation is never static, and neither should our approach be. Final thought. Mastering API error handling is much more than just dodging bullets. It's about turning every slip-up into a stepping stone toward building a strong, user-friendly digital world. By embracing these best practices, you are not just making your own journey smoother, you are also lifting the entire experience for developers and users alike. So let's gear up with these strategies, refine your tools, and set forth on this exciting journey of API design and error handling. With the right setup, each challenge you overcome will pave the way to success and make your adventure not only rewarding, but also truly enlightening. Excited about diving deeper into the world of software architecture? This video is just the beginning. Check out my Udemy video course on software architecture, where I explore these concepts further and dive into real-world challenges. The link to the course is in the video description below. And here is a bonus. Subscribe to my newsletter and you will get free access to all my courses. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more updates and tech insights. See you next time.